Mindanao Art Institute.
Surrounding creation of art is an ecosystem determined by time and space. To study art is to understand its process and product beyond its proposal. Study for more is subsequent. Though we dream of a larger inherent reason, function, and intent and the rules for this to take hold. Now, I will go to Mindanao art. Mindanao art. Or Mindanao art.
Or paper.
Mindanao art. To generalize what constitutes what comes in different varieties. Mindanao or even Mindanao is a geopolitical island separated from other Philippine islands. It cannot hold a single culture. To say Mindanao may be contentious, as 47 million island at least 13 Islamized groups and numerous settler communities. Included among the settlers are the Ilocos, Ilonggos, Bulacanos, Cebuanos, Sicoornos, and others. And the cosmopolitan cultures of the island virgins like Davao, Oro, General Santos, Iligan, Zamboanga. The concepts in the
Kasi classic ini siya, ma'am? Artist. Siya, artist. Katkuan. Hello, ma'am. Ako yung artist. You're the artist. Congratulations. What kind of, sige, bakit? Sige. Acrylic. Acrylic? Solid knife? You're the JC Rabat? Mati, dilin to kay... May painter din sa Mati ng sa kaming katong matanda. Paking. Di, yung babae, matanda na retired teacher. Kasama ni minsan na vlog ni Nicolas? Taga-mati man yun? Sa Karag? Sa Karaan? Sa Karag? Karaga ba to?